One remaining topic that we need to discuss for to wrap up 1.8 is the concept of evaluation. Recall, evaluation is when I have an expression and I have to find the value of that expression if I am given values for the unknowns, in this case x and y. So I'm going to start off, no reason why I picked them. I'm going to let x equal 4, y equal -2. You can use whatever you want, but I'm going to use these two, and I'm going to evaluate these three expressions, and what will come up is PEMDAS again. So when I substitute, it's always a good practice to use some parentheses to indicate your substitution. That way you can, we were multiplying whatever x is by 3, and we're multiplying whatever y is by 4. So I haven't lost those multiplications. PEMDAS, we're looking at parentheses, but there's nothing going on inside. There's no exponents. There are a couple of multiplications. So going left to right, 3 times 4 is 12. 4 times -2 gives us a -8. And then to wrap this up, 12 plus -8, well, there's more positive stuff than negative stuff. How much more? 4 more. So that expression, if x is 4 and y is -2, that expression evaluates out to 4. Moving on to the next one, again, we don't have any y's, but we do have x's. And again, as I make my substitutions, as I substitute the value of x into the expression, I'm making use of parentheses because I don't want to lose the fact that whatever x is, we're squaring it. Whatever x is, we're multiplying it by 2. And with my use of my parentheses, we haven't lost that. Going through my order of operations for top and bottom, there are some parentheses, but nothing going on inside. We have exponents both top and bottom, so I'll handle those. 4 squared is 16. And I'll just rewrite everything out. Alright, going through my order of operations upstairs, we have no we've exhausted the exponents, but there is a multiplication. So we have 16, I think that's a -8, -4, and then 16 take away 16, that is 0. And if we finish this off, we can be done right now, but let me go ahead and keep practicing. 16 take away 8 is 8, and then 8 take away 4 is 4, and then we have this division by 0. And that is undefined. Division by 0, nobody knows how to do that. Okay? So that expression actually has no value. When I let x equal to 4, it basically creates an undefined situation, which in mathematics isn't great, but that's what we got. Alright, and then last but not least, let me throw some fractions at you. Right, again, I'm going to replace that x with 4. Again, a good habit of when you make that replacement, use some parentheses. Order of operations say to work what's inside the parentheses first. So we have 4 take away 10. So we have 1/3, and 4 take away 10 is -6. Alright, and then PEMDAS, there's no exponents. Parentheses, there's nothing going on inside, but we do have a multiplication. So 1/3, we can rewrite -6 as -6 over 1. This becomes -6 over 3, right? Multiply is just straight across. -6 divided by 3 is a -2. There's more positive stuff now when we're adding, and so we get a final answer of 3. And so again, that's evaluation. We're trying to find the value of an expression when we are given a value for the variable. Plug it in, let PEMDAS kick in, and we find the value of our expression. So we're almost done with chapter 1. One more video to go through, and I'll see you guys then.